Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a day in the life of quarantine and show you guys my morning routine. Right now it is Saturday at 8:40 in the morning, and like I said, I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing to stay productive and kind of clean up the house and do some self-care and all of those things. So if you like vlog style videos, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know, and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. First off, the room is always like insanely messy, so that's something I always pretty much do on some Saturday mornings, is clean up our space. But I'm going to start with my skincare. So I'm going to start with my Murad Anti-Aging Acne Cleanser. I don't think this does a whole, I don't think that this is the best cleanser for acne prone skin. But I've been enjoying it. It lasts a long time, but I did order a different Ole Henriksen cleanser to try. And then I've been going in with this right after. This is a new thing. This is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant after, and I think it's actually been really helping with my skin texture and my breakouts. But I've only been using it for like a week, so I need to give it a little bit longer to really see. Then I go in, I recently ran out of my Sephora eye cream, so I ordered some more, but I'm using this Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. This was a sample. I really love this, and I'm gonna use it just until I get my Sephora order in the mail, but this is super expensive, so that's why I don't buy it, but it is a very good eye cream. Then I've been going in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I think this is breaking me out. I thought that this might be a good alternative to the Belief Aqua Bomb, but I don't think it is, and I think it just has too much not great ingredients in it, and so I reordered the Belief Aqua Bomb because I think that does a little bit better for my skin. Yeah, and then I go in with this. This is the Elta MD Broad Spectrum SPF 46. This has, I can never say this word, niacinamide, and it's supposed to calm and protect acne prone skin. So I've been using this as my SPF, and it's been really, really good. On Saturdays, right after I get out of the shower, I will go in with this. So I might actually put this on today after I do my cleanser here, but this is the Peter Thomas Roth's Therapeutic Sulfur Mask. I've been trying to have Wednesdays and Saturdays be my skincare mask slash scrub day, so I think I'm gonna use this today. Now that I have my mask on, I'm going to work on cleaning up the area of the room. I'm also going to switch the sheets on the bed because we have a down comforter most of the time, and then we also have this extra blanket because it gets really cold in our room. But for the summertime and the springtime, it gets so hot in here. Our room is weirdly, it gets really, really cold in the wintertime and then really, really hot in the summer. So I'm going to switch out these for a lighter comforter. Well, it's like a quilt, I think. I wanted to switch up the sheets just so we don't have the down comforter anymore because it's just so heavy. And I almost died of heat last night. Oh, look at all these pillows in here. So anyway, I'm gonna work on cleaning up this mess and changing up these sheets while my mask is on. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, All right, so I couldn't find the quilt to go with the yellow thing over there, but I found this, so I think this will be lightweight enough. And then I found those to go over the pillows that we don't use, but my timer just went off for my mask. So I'm going to take that off and finish up with the rest of my skincare. I would prefer to have something like a little heavier. I like the weight of the down comforter, but it's just like way too hot and I don't want to die like I did last night. So we are gonna try this. I think it goes good with these. Actually were not made to go with this. This is just like a random blanket that we have in the house that happens to fit our bed. So this matches pretty nicely. And then I just used my purple sheets that I got. I also have a pair of the blue sheets that we got for our wedding, and then these are the sheets we had, which was like a gray type of thing. I think we will try this method tonight. Normally on a Saturday morning I would be showering, but because we are going on a hike today, I'm gonna wait to shower till after we get back from that because I don't want to have to shower twice. But Saturdays are normally my hair wash day, so that is why it is up the way that it is. I'm going to run all of these in the dishwasher. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna run all of these in the washing machine today. I'm also gonna do laundry, which is, as you can see, pretty full. I need to do laundry. Yeah, some Saturdays I will clean the bathroom. It doesn't really need to be cleaned this week though. After I get this stuff kind of started in the laundry, I'm going to get some breakfast, some coffee, get my day going, and then kind of look at my schedule for filming and editing. I try to look at my little planner thing every couple days just to make sure that I'm on top of things. But I really don't know what I'm supposed to be filming or editing today, so I will go ahead and look at that, and then I'll maybe do some editing while I'm eating breakfast. So then I look around and just see like, okay, what is the state of our living room? What's the state of our kitchen? On Friday nights, we often host, like have my parents over for a dinner. And so times like I feel like this can get a little messy. And then same with our kitchen. Our kitchen is actually not too bad right now, but I'm going to clean up our living room, then I'm gonna get some food. We have these like random stuff hanging out from last night, some cinnamon sticks, what are these? I don't even know. Chilies, so I don't know like where to put these. Maybe in here. I'm gonna go right there. These we'll have out later for lunch. Just gonna like, you know, I mean, it really is just like cleaning up the stuff from last night, putting dishes and stuff away. And I'm gonna put all this stuff in the dishwasher, find a place for these to go. My mom made some peanut butter, chocolate little things. She left those for us. I'm just gonna put those over there. I'm gonna do the dishes and figure out my food situation. I think this morning I'm gonna make my smoothie. Since we are going on a hike, I want some good protein in my body before we go. I'm gonna get out my smoothie stuff. I always grab some kind of banana. Not some kind of banana, a banana. I don't know what other kind of banana I would use. And I always get this like giant one. This seems to last me pretty good amount of time. And that's my morning smoothie with everything in it. This lasts me at least like an hour to drink it. I'm still doing that intermittent fasting thing, but I'm just a little bit more like lax about it on the weekends. So right now it's like 9:40, but I know I'm going on a hike today and I want a little bit of extra protein than just having 2 meals. So you know, that's kind of why I adjust it to whatever the day looks like. But yeah, there's my green smoothie. It's actually pretty dang good. It tastes like vanilla and sweet honey. So then that's pretty much like it for my morning routine. I kind of get stuff started like cleaning stuff like the washer and the dishwasher if I need, and then I just start doing some editing. So yeah, that is my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.